Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to use Trello for different projects. So first thing, just simply go to your Trello and just simply select create new board over here down below. And after that, just simply provide a board title. Let's say I'm gonna go for projects. And after that, just simply go ahead and select create. And now from here guys, you could just simply provide a list name over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for projects ideas, and after that just simply select add list. And let's say we're gonna go for the second phase, which is on progress ideas, for example. And after that just simply add list. And let's say I'm gonna go for another one, output for the project, and select add list. And from here you could just simply go ahead and provide a feedback over here and select add list. So from here you could just simply add a card and just simply provide, for example, a name. I'm gonna go for project 1, and after that you can add as many as you can guys. And when you select a specific card, as you can see, you could provide a description over here on how this project will go or ideas, and you can provide any information over here and use these elements. And if you want to label it as well, you could just simply click on this and select a color, and as you can see you will have a label. Or you could just simply go ahead and change the cover of the card, as you can see over here. And now you could do some color coding if you prefer. And after that, just simply go ahead and select a project that you like to work on and put it on the on progress ideas. And once it is done, just simply put in the output so other members can review it and they will have the feedback over here. And guys, in order for you to invite members into your board, you can just simply select this one on the top right corner, which is share. And after that, just simply provide their email address over here and click on share, and they should be able to have the same access and view all of the information that is on the board. There you go. See ya.